Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying one clear intention. This guides selection and use. Once done, pick 1 to 3 stones that resonate when held. Trust tactile feedback. Make sure to cleanse them now. Quick rinse, smudge, or salt method for a minute each to remove prior energy. Sit comfortably with a straight spine and soft eyes, place crystals within reach, and breathe deeply for 3 cycles to center. This primes both you and the stones to work together. You now program and activate the crystals so they hold your focus. Verbally state your intention while holding each stone and visualize light or color flowing into it. Repeat 3 times. Once programmed, place stones on targeted areas, build a simple grid, or carry a chosen crystal in a pocket. Make sure to coordinate breath with technique, slow inhales and longer exhales, while maintaining gentle awareness. Continue this practice for 10 to 15 minutes, adjusting placement if sensations shift. You finish by formally closing the session. Thank each stone, remove them carefully, and give a quick cleanse so they reset. Once done, note sensations, mood, and any changes in a brief log to refine future selections and session lengths. If you feel uneasy or head pressure, stop immediately, take 5-10 grounding breaths, drink water, and eat a small snack. That often dissipates discomfort. Make sure to reduce time or switch stones next session if any negative response persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.